you guys finally learned to share? What are you doing, kitty kitty? What's up, Whiskers? Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we're going to do some easier spoopy bat nails because people have been asking for me to do some easier manis than reverse stamping. So we're going to try to do that for a little bit. To start this mani off, I'm using my Ready for Takeoff Peel Off Base Coat from Untitled Nail Lacquer. I've been peel off base coating it for everything so far this holiday season. That's going to end soon because in some of my upcoming tutorials we're going to use vinyls. Ooh, yeah, I know. For the base color, I'm using GIRRL Can I Holo from R.E.M Nail Polish. This is a bright, beautiful silver linear holographic. I only put down one coat of this because I am going to sponge, and one coat would have been fine with the buildup I know that it's going to get. I actually tested this out on a swatch stick to see if I needed to use two, because as you can see, it looks very, very sheer on the first coat. To protect my cuticles this time, I'm using my Ctrl+Alt+Del latex barrier from Glisten and Glow. I've been bouncing back and forth between this and my Simply Peel, and my Simply Peel is actually, you know, heading out the door. I think I have maybe 1-2 more manis left in that bottle. It's very sad, okay? But I have a bunch of other latex barriers that I need to try out anyways, so this will give me an opportunity. For the colors, I am mixing with GIRRL Can I Holo. I've got Positively Purple from R.E.M Nail Polish and Really Red from R.E.M Nail Polish, both part of the Seriously Rainbows collection that I swatched on my channel last week. It is going to restock soon. Angie did do a pre-order and the whole pre-order sold out, so once the pre-order is done, she's trying to restock it again. It's been a very rainbow filled time and the rainbows are going like fire, which I really don't think she expected. I don't think I expected it. But apparently my craving for rainbows was shared by a lot of people. As you can see here, I went purple, pink, and silver for my gradient. I almost reversed that and did pink, purple, and silver. But then I decided it just looked better with the darker color on top. And I'm sponging it on. I did sponge this on in 2 coats. The first coat went down really well. It was pretty opaque. But I decided I just wanted a little more color depth. So I went in with the second coat because I knew that would make them the same as if I just put them on my nails with the brush. And it is so pretty. Once I was all done sponging my gradient on, I pulled my cuticle protector off with my tweezers from Twinkled-T, leaving me with this gorgeous gradient. I then used my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkled-T and I did some off-camera cleanup because there really wasn't a lot of cleanup. I think I swiped the brush 2 times and that was it. And I was like, I could film this cleanup, but that's kind of lame. So I just stuck to doing it off camera. Next, I'm going with my Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat from Superchic Lacquer. And I'm going to cover up my gradient to protect it because I am stamping over this. And if I mess up or I smudge the stamp somehow, this will make me be able to clean it off without having to ruin my entire base gradient. Wow, my voice is cracking there. Wow, it's terrible. I am so sorry about that. But I've been working a lot lately, which means I've been talking about 20 times more than normal, which means my voice is kind of starting to go out on me. By the end of the weekend, I don't know where we'll be at with it, but hopefully, you know, I can rest it some after this weekend. For the stamping, I'm using the B23 Creepin Real Plate from What's Up Nails, and I'm using R.E.M from Superchic Lacquer, which is a black linear hollow that stamps. And I'm using my extra large clear stamper from Twinkled-T. This is my fave stamper recently. I've kind of been using it for just everything. And I actually ordered 2 new ones. One of them may or may not be for a giveaway coming up. I used this beautiful bats image. I was going to use it with the haunted house, but I ended up liking how the bats looked alone. So I didn't end up putting the haunted house on my accent nail like I was going to. And I just stamped that down and rolled it over. I always have to roll mine because my nails are really curved, and if I don't roll it, I get breaks in the design. Peeled off my latex barrier again. And then once again did some off-camera cleanup really sneakily, because look, it's magically clean and better. For the final step, I'm literally just putting on some more of that Marvel Liquid Macro top coat, making everything pop, making the holo gorgeous. And then you have Spoopy out of the box colored bat nails, because I love these colors more than traditional Halloween colors, okay? They're fun and they're gorgeous. And I hope this was an easier tutorial for people. I've had a lot of people asking if I could do some easier stamping tutorials because they're not big fans of reverse stamping. So I decided, let's do that. I'm going to try to get tutorials out that are a little bit of everything for everyone this holiday season so that everyone has something they can try and enjoy. As usual, all the items linked are in the description box. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials. And yes, guys, a Halloween giveaway is coming. And I will see you guys next time.